Today is Go Red for Women Day. So many of us, of course, are wearing red today. It's a reminder that heart disease is the #1 killer of women in the U.S. Yet the American Heart Association says 4 out of every 5 cardiac events can be prevented. Megan Hicks, a Go Red for Women ambassador, is here to talk a little bit more about it. Megan, thanks so much for coming in.
Thanks, Ellen.
So tell me a little bit about your personal experience.
So I was born with a congenital heart defect. That means it was present at birth. And I actually have an identical twin sister. And she did not have the heart defect and I did. So that's quite rare.
Did they discover it when you were born?
You know, they did not. It wasn't until after I left the hospital that my parents discovered something was wrong and brought me back. So that's actually why it's really important that newborn screenings are done in Minnesota, and we're really advocating for that.
And you are an ambassador, right?
Yes.
Tell me about your experience with
I'm a Go Red for Women spokesperson and an American Heart Association ambassador. So we do a lot of work to get education out there to women and men about risk factors for heart disease and how it can be prevented, and just doing small things in your life to take the stairs instead of the elevator, get in some vegetables during the day.
Do you still have symptoms in your life at all?
I do. So when I was a child, I had 4 open heart surgeries.
Man.
And last summer I had a procedure for some rhythm issues. So that's under wraps, but then there's continued things that, you know, when you're born with heart defects like this, that you live with every day and just find ways to make it work. So
yeah,
and actually recently I had an incident. I was in the hospital with a heart infection, and doctors actually think that this happened from not flossing my teeth for a period of time. So this really goes to show the importance of dental health with heart health, and with those first graders getting their teeth cleaned, I think that's a great connection to make.
Well, we are so glad that you are here. We're so glad that you're an ambassador because it is such an important topic, and as women, of course, we all need to talk about it because it's something that, you know, a lot of people think about breast cancer, which obviously is a problem, but you also have to talk about heart disease as well. So Megan, thank you so much for coming in. We really appreciate seeing you. And there will be lots of heart healthy activities for everyone to take part in on Saturday at Mall of America. The American Heart Association's Go Red Day kicks off at 11 a.m. You can find more information on the links page online at KSTP.com. And overnight,